Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Let's start with something simple yet extraordinary. Water. Today is Sunday, October 13th, 2024, known as Iki, market in Igbo land. On this day of preparation, we celebrate the marvelous work of water in our lives. You are highly blessed and empowered to multiply the good things of the earth to have a comfortable zone. Enjoy the goods things on earth placed by the creator of the wind, water, and sand that sustains all humans to live and witness his creation, to acknowledge him as the owner of the universe. Since I began to acknowledge the wind, water, and sand, I have been connected to my creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama. This is the way the creator of all humans made it for every human being, to come to him while searching for the wind to breathe, water to drink, and dry sand to stand. As you drink water today, remember its significance. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, may you continue to be highly blessed and empowered. This is Obi Nnukwu Chineke, your messenger of the truth afterlife. Until next time, stay blessed.